it, so if there's children or people that don't like that, now's the time to skip me. Alright, this is called The Difference Between Bad and Great. It always puzzled me how a man could do a woman so wrong. How he could repeat himself daily like a played-out song. How putting me down made himself feel better. How he could smile while watching my eyes getting wetter. How he could ask and ask but never hand out. How when I spoke up, this coward would shout. And all the times I had left, I knew I'd come right back because the whole time I was planning my attack. See, I'm doing good. I'm in recovery. And what are you doing? Throwing a pity party? Sad because you realized that what you had was much more than rare? How never again my company you will share, and I'm supposed to feel bad for you? Fool, that's for you to do. Because every time you made me cry, it was you who was getting smaller inside. Because every time you tried to break me down, I excelled and adjusted my crown. And how can we stop this fucked up cycle of abuse if you cannot man up to the shit that you have been through? All those insecurities you held on to for so many years came out as hateful words instead of tears. See, tears cleanse your soul and help you let shit go, and gives you the strength to stand up and just grow. See, that's the difference between you and me. I think about things, and you would rather close your eyes than to see. See, every success story has destruction in the beginning, because that is what gives us the strength to keep living. It is time for this woman to take what is mine. It is time for this woman to wash her soul and just shine. Sit back and relax and enjoy this life. I'm done with trauma. I paid my price. And there is nothing compared to the strength of a woman. So before you open your mouth again, think about what you're doing. Think about what you had, because it's okay, because it doesn't puzzle me how I catered to you and you were always so mad. How you neglected to hear your son call you dad. How I wanted to marry you so that our child could be raised not by one but by two. But see, we are better off without you, because now he is being showed what healthy people do. Now he won't grow up in abuse, and I am far from keeping him from you, as long as you do what you are supposed to do and show that little boy how to grow and be a man. And if you choose to treat him wrong, I am a lioness on my land. Try to harm my cub, my killer instincts come out, and I will crave your blood. See, I'm hungry, waiting for you to become lunch. I have something you have never had. I am his mother, and it was me who raised him with a single hand. You were nowhere to be found, but you still somehow felt that you were always around. He needs his dad, yes, then, but more now. So seize this time before it's too late, before that boy grows up and realizes the difference between bad and great.